Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the major two cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about a few technical indicators, and we will try to understand what could be the trend for these two cryptocurrencies, where the price can go, what could be the levels, and some other things for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and as we have predicted in the previous videos as well, that the price is taking a support at 22,600, and for a quite good period of time the price is taking up this support here, and still you can consider this area as the support region. Now if you see here, we were looking at this thing, and when we were here we were talking about this thing that the price might able to take up support at 22,600. Why? Because there are multiple reasons to that. One, this is an important support level. Another thing, let's say if the price breaks this level, closes below than this level, then we have another level of this trend line. Now that the trend line is just exactly below than this support area, so this level is an important one. And just look at here, you can see that immediately, let me just tell you the date. Yes, on Friday, again we know that the Saturday Sunday is like little lackluster kind of movement. So on Friday we had a good momentum towards the upside. The price was up by more than 3%, and today it's also up by more than 4%. So currently it's trading at 24,100 something, which is again giving us a probability, which is again showing us some kind of momentum towards the upside. And now what could be the thing, or what could be the direction for this Bitcoin? So we can just taking up this resistance, which is at 25,800. And just look at this particular trend line also. You can see that here immediately on exactly at the resistance level we are having this trend, this 100 EMA. This is not the trend line, I'm sorry, this is the 100 EMA, right? So this 100 EMA, if let's say if the Bitcoin closes above than this 100 EMA or this resistance area, you will see that from there the price will shoot up, and you will see very good upside momentum, because 100 EMA is something where you can see that the price is already going up, but as of now it's lacking momentum. You can say that little movement is there. The price is making smaller highs and smaller lows. So this is something basically it's making not the smaller highs lows, it's making smaller higher highs and smaller higher lows. So basically we just need to get more confirmation once the price will just trade higher than this resistance area of 25,800. And maybe from that time we will get more trading activity, more volumes by that time. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum here, so for the Ethereum the same situation is there, but it's looking better, it's looking more prominent. Why? Because the price is already trading higher than the 100 EMA and the resistance of 1725. Now if you compare this Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can see that in the past few days the Ethereum is showing more momentum, like you can see here. So just let's talk about this area. Now look at here, on Friday it was up by 8%, and the price closed higher than 100 EMA, and it was very near to the resistance area. And today if you look at today's momentum, which is up by more than 4%, which is very near to 5%, and it's currently trading at 1785, so slightly higher than the resistance area, the earlier resistance area. I am still considering this as a resistance area because the price is open, the market is open. So we just need to get the confirmation by the end of the day with the closing price. Now two things can be there, two things can happen. One, if the price closes higher than this area, we'll be very much happy, because in that case this 1725 can be acting as a support, and immediately we can take up a level of 2000 as the resistance. And if not, if today the price closes below than this particular 1725 area, then again, you know, the levels will be same. 1725 will be the resistance and 1510 will be the support area. But looking at the momentum, because you know now the price is also slightly trading higher than 100 EMA, it's we can say that it's just hovering around at that area, so we might able to see a closing higher than 1725. So this is something, you know, which looks good, which looks interesting here. So let's just wait for the closing price. We'll be getting more confirmation, more clarity by the end of the day. So if you are liking this content, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. Also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any further notification in future. This is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.